My car Nissan GT-R 35. I like driving at night since there's no heavy traffic during the time. I'm deeply attached to my car. I also want my car to look more stylish and dynamic. So I tried to find and buy carbon parts of cars, but it was difficult to make a general order. A separate and special order required a high cost and a long wait. Sadly, I had to give it up. It may be possible to generate the carbon effect by applying a wrapping film to parts. I did it before. The PVC wrapping film caused multiple problems like discoloration, surface deformation, and lowering luminous intensity over time. For this reason, I excluded wrapping. While fingering Instagrams these days, I encountered Real Carbon PPF, newly released by Clifdesigns. It is the carbon film based on PPF. It's a very special solution to generate the real carbon-like carbon effect on cars without carbon parts, or on non-carbon parts, and thus to make the car look different. This film not only solves the problems of PVC wrapping film, but provides its original roles of PPF. To change my favorite car newly, I headed for a shop without hesitation. To complete my dream car finally, I made real carbon PPT films applied to each one of the parts. All work processes were the same as in PPF and were delicate. Oh, amazing! My car turned great and dynamic. It looked like having real carbon parts rather than film attachment. It was very hard to distinguish. There was no difference. The Real Carbon PPF with mild black satin implements carbon-like real visibility. According to Clifdesigns, its APSD design technique is applied to the carbon pattern in consideration of film ductility in order to minimize its twist at the time of installation. In addition, it's said that the special PSC coating of the film surface helps to heal scratches like swirl mark and supports various functions, including strong resistance for chemicals and stains and hydrophobicity, so as to let its quality and color last long and manage it easily. These days, I sleep late almost every day because of my more night driving after the installation of Clifdesigns Real Carbon PPF. But my days have been good.